Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that MON token. Now before I start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the white paper, MON protocol stands out as a decentralized digital ecosystem leveraging MON tokens. This open source protocol is maintained by validators globally, ensuring a robust and secure network beyond its core blockchain infrastructure. MON protocol features a launch pool, enabling users to earn points and receive airdrops from partners' project, enhancing user engagement and participation. Diving into the gaming realm, MON protocol is a Web3 platform dedicated to the development and publishing of blockchain native games and intellectual properties. Its mission is to democratize gaming and foster community engagement, making it is a pivotal player in the blockchain gaming industry. The protocol's chain agnostic publishing platform allowing blockchain native gaming projects to reach broader audience with over 60 games and IPs utilizing its capabilities. MON project institution rating is 3.8. MON token total supplies 999.51 million and circulating supplies around 593.78 million MON token. MON token is listed on Bybit, KuCoin, MEXC and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 75% chances is that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.